Introducing Bracketron's PwrUp Magnet Mount with Qi-compatible wireless fast charge. The PwrUp Magnet Mount wirelessly charges your Qi-enabled smartphone, while ultra-strong magnets hold your device in place for seamless, one-handed operation. Unlike other Qi charging mounts, the PwrUp Magnet Mount has everything you need in one box, including metal plates, a 10-watt car charger and cable, vent clip and cord wrangler, and the free PwrUp charging app with downloadable instructions. A complete kit for all Qi-enabled devices in one box. Setting up your mount is quick and easy. First, select where you want to place the mount: dash, window, or vent. With the mounting location chosen, use the wipes supplied in the box to clean off the area. Next, join the PwrUp magnet head with the T-notch on either the dash mount or vent mount. Slide until you hear the click. The T-notch ball joint can be adjusted for best viewing angle. For dash or window mounting, peel the cover from the Tempurbond suction base and place the mount in the desired location, pressing down firmly while locking the lever into position. The Tempurbond suction base works best when applied at room temperature. Be sure to place this in a position that won't obstruct your view of the road. For vent mounting, loosen the tightening knob and slide the jaws onto the vent and hook them all the way onto the back of the vent slats. Once inserted all the way back, tighten the knob to secure the mount. Adjust the kickstand for additional support. Finally, plug the power cord into the bottom of the magnet mount head, and that's it. Your PwrUp magnet mount is ready to go.